One45 Analytics is a turnkey data warehouse and dashboarding system designed for medical education. Today we will be looking at how to review exam data across courses or for a phase of your curriculum. This is available under I work in the Office of Medical Education. From here you can scroll down to View Source Exam Data and click on Review Exams Across Courses. The first thing you'll want to do is either select a phase of your curriculum or select a few courses. I'm going to select the preclinical phase. And I'll also want to select a specific academic year to report on. The first thing I'll see is the number of times each of my categories were assessed across all courses, so I can see which categories are being assessed the most and being assessed the least. I can also see this broken down by course, so I can see a heat map of where specific categories are being covered across all of my courses in a specific academic year. Now, if I want to narrow in, I can look at specific categories and see the names of the exams and the questions that are covering the category. So for example, if I narrow in down to neuroscience, I can see the exams that covered neuroscience and the questions that covered neuroscience within the 1920 academic year. I can also see the 10 top most used categories, meaning the categories that had the most number of questions covering the category, and the bottom least used categories, meaning the ones that had the least number of questions covering the category. For each category, I can also see the courses that covered that category, the exams that covered it, the number of items, meaning the number of questions that covered that area, and the student performance on that category. I can also track performance across all courses and see how that goes over time. So if I remove my academic year filter, I can look at the performance across multiple academic years. I can also look at specific performance by course and clerkship. Now, for example, if I wanted to look into specific list, I can click on the list and then see all of the categories within it and see the performance across multiple courses and clerkships. Finally, I can dive into the specific questions that have covered those content areas as well.